Sarah and Zahra have spare time, so they decided to play chess. But there's no space to sit between the table, wall and dispenser. First they try to lift it up, but it's too heavy. Then they tried to drag the water dispenser, but still they failed. Sarah and Zahra got an idea. This time they are trying to drag the water dispenser by pulling the mat underneath. Now we can see Sarah and Zahra easily dragging the water dispenser because the friction has reduced. After positioning the water dispenser, Sarah and Zahra picked up the stools and started their chess game. Oh no, it's too heavy. I cannot lift it on my own. I need someone's help. Let me call Daniel, he will help me. Let's move the refrigerator to other position. Peter and Daniel both tried to lift the refrigerator but failed. Now Daniel had an idea. He brought a mat and placed it underneath the refrigerator with the help of Peter. This way the friction will reduce and it will be easy to drag the refrigerator. Now they are trying to drag it. Wow, we can see he's successfully dragging the refrigerator. The main component in this experiment is friction. Friction is the force that opposes the rolling or sliding of one solid body over another. There are two types of friction: static friction, kinetic friction. Static friction. Static friction is the friction that acts between two stationary surfaces. Kinetic friction. Kinetic friction is the friction that acts between moving surfaces. Force required to move the refrigerator is 254 Newton, but due to mat, it is reduced to 147 Newton. For more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.